What's up guys, are you looking for the best mechanical keyboard? In this video, we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Keychron Q6. In the world of mechanical keyboards, the Keychron Q6 stands out as a premium full-size keyboard designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek all-metal construction, hot-swappable switches, customizable features, and innovative double gasket design, the Keychron Q6 promises an exceptional typing experience. The Keychron Q6 boasts a stunning full aluminum CNC machined body that not only looks premium but also adds to its durability. The full-size layout provides all the keys you need for efficient typing, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. Number 2. KLUDGE RK61. The KLUDGE RK61 keyboard is a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard that packs a punch with its ultra-compact design, hot-swappable switches, stunning RGB backlighting, and ergonomic features. The RK61 keyboard boasts an ultra-compact layout with just 61 keys, making it a minimalist stream. This design choice saves valuable desk space, allowing for more room to maneuver your mouse and maintain a clutter-free workspace. FPS gamers, in particular, will appreciate the streamlined layout, which maximizes their gaming experience. Equipped with red switches, the RK61 offers fast, linear keystrokes with minimal resistance and no tactile bump. This provides a smooth and quiet typing experience, making it suitable for both office work and gaming. The hot swappable feature allows you to easily switch out the switches without soldering, enabling you to customize your keyboard to your preference effortlessly. The RGB backlighting on the RK61 keyboard is nothing short of impressive. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. In the world of gaming, every millisecond counts. Gamers demand precision, speed, and control in their peripherals, and the SteelSeries Apex Pro keyboard delivers all that and more. With its OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches and a range of customizable features, it's no wonder this keyboard is touted as the world's fastest. The heart of the SteelSeries Apex Pro keyboard lies in its OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. These switches are not only fully customizable but also incredibly fast. They offer 20 times faster actuation and an 11 times faster response compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. This means that your actions in the game are registered with lightning speed, giving you a significant advantage over your opponents. One of the most impressive features of this keyboard is its rapid trigger technology. It eliminates the latency caused by the physical movement of the switch by dynamically activating and deactivating keys based on travel distance, rather than relying on a fixed point in the key travel. Number 4. Glorious GMMK Pro. The Glorious GMMK Pro is a highly acclaimed, hot-swappable, and customizable mechanical keyboard that caters to the preferences of keyboard enthusiasts and gamers. The GMMK Pro barebones custom keyboard has earned recognition from the mechanical keyboard community, being voted as one of Reddit's favorite custom keyboards. This compact 75% layout keyboard is equipped with a knob for versatile functionality. It features a gasket-mounted design with 2 layers of sound-dampening foam, ensuring a satisfying typing experience. When you choose Glorious products, you're not only getting exceptional quality but also excellent customer support. Registering your product on the Glorious website grants you an additional year of warranty on top of the already included warranty. Electronic devices come with a 2-year limited manufacturer guarantee, while non-electronic devices are covered for 1 year. Additionally, within 30 days of delivery, Amazon offers a 30-day return policy for added peace of mind. The GMMK Pro 2 is designed to be versatile and is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac iOS, Linux, PS4, and Xbox. Number 5. Corsair K65 PRO MINI. The Corsair K65 PRO MINI is a compact 65% optical mechanical wired gaming keyboard that offers a perfect blend of performance and convenience. The Corsair K65 PRO MINI boasts a 65% layout that strikes the ideal balance between size and functionality. It's compact enough to fit on any desktop, yet it includes all the essential keys, including arrow and utility keys, with convenient secondary functions. This means you can enjoy a full-sized keyboard experience without the unnecessary bulk. One of the standout features of this gaming keyboard is its Corsair OPX optical mechanical switches. These switches deliver an incredibly smooth and linear keystroke experience, making your inputs ultra-responsive. What's more, they are designed to last an impressive 150 million keystrokes, ensuring long-lasting durability for even the most hardcore gamers. When it comes to gaming, every millisecond counts. The Corsair K65 PRO MINI is equipped with Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, which accelerates the transfer of your keyboard inputs to the game by up to 8 times faster compared to standard gaming keyboards. This means you can react quicker and gain a competitive edge in your gameplay. Plus, with support for up to 20 RGB lighting layers, you can customize your keyboard's lighting to suit your style. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.